Alright, well, real quick, we'll get a video of the new car. Oh wow, they got much new brighter cabs, new lanterns, new everything. They look nice though, I will absolutely agree. 50 is the highest we can go. Oh, here we go. Yeah, these run way smoother than the others. Uh-oh, little glitch there. This does not feel as fast. Maybe it's just a slow acceleration. Back down to L. It's got Dewhurst. See if I get a good picture of these buttons. Takes a bit to accelerate. Oh, hold on. There we go. That's better quality. Just flashed X on the screen. What's that about? These are nice though. Let's get a look at these cabs once more. Hello. See you in the mirror. Sweating my freaking face off. It's hot as hell today. These are nice, good mod, but of course I like the Northerns better. They're just more fun. But of course this is a nice mod. And here's the one. Anyway, that will be good.